Dr. Aditi, a practicing specialist in Muscat, Oman. I completed my undergraduation and post-graduation from India in 2012, and I had taken the Cracking MRCOG course in preparation for the November Part 3 examination under Dr. Richa Saxena. The highlights of this course are 5 active stations, over 100 MCQ scenarios covering the entire syllabus, a free OSCE book which is included in a very reasonable price, and one-to-one support for answering questions. Most importantly for me, it was online, so there was no need to travel. All resource materials were available at all times for revision, so I could do it multiple times before the examination. Dr. Richa is a wonderful teacher, making such a vast syllabus concise, succinct, and targeted towards answering the MRCOG or OSCE questions. She also makes sure that we stick to the time. Garima and Kanav and the whole team were very helpful and prompt and have ensured our smooth learning through their online platform. As a result of subscribing to this course, I have successfully cleared my MRCOG Part 3 and European Board Practical Examinations in one attempt. I would highly recommend this course to all students aspiring for these examinations, especially if they are overseas. I wish Cracking MRCOG team success for all their endeavors, and I'm certain that they shall reach great heights. Thank you.